Welcome to the Joe Fixes It channel, where today I'm going to show you how to take your door off on a Mark II Jetta Diesel. They're all the same from 1985 up to 1991. They're all interchangeable, so this will apply to more than one car. This is not a particularly hard job. You basically have to take two mounting bolts loose and then a little slider that keeps the door from opening too wide, and you just lift it right off. You can use a door jack or some blocks of wood on the ground to hold it up, but in my case, I just grab a hold of it and carry it inside. The first thing you have to do is open the door. This is your limiting pin that keeps the door from opening too wide and getting broke. There's a little clip on the bottom of that you got to take off with a screwdriver to get it loose. And there it is. You can see it right there. I'm going to throw that on the floorboard so I won't lose it. And then we knock the pin out like so. And there's the pin. Save that on the floorboard because you don't want to have to be looking for that. Now all we have to do is take the mounting bolts off. A 15mm socket, an extension, and of course, an electric ratchet. All right, let's take off the bottom bolt. Bottom bolt off, and throw that in the bottom of the car so you don't lose it. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the top bolt off, put our arm up under the door so it doesn't fall, and we're good to go. I realize that was sort of a simple job. If you've never done it, maybe it's not so simple, but they go back on pretty much just the way they came off. You might want to use a big block of wood to prop it up so your arm doesn't get tired, but there's no door alignments or anything like that. Like the Mark I's, I had trouble getting the doors in straight after I took them off, but with this, you just bolt it back on and you're good to go, and it shuts just fine. If you found this interesting, if you found this useful, subscribe to the channel, support the channel, and we will see you in the next video.